That's why government is also trying, with the support of partners like Save the Children, to ensure that the welfare of every child and every woman is important to government.
Everyone, my name is Judith. We are from CrocCityPranks.tv. We are out here for the universal health coverage. Thank you very much. Yeah.
My name is Mukhtar Zubairu, the SA on NGO matters in the Deputy Governor of Kaduna State.
Okay, sir, I have a question.
All right, please go ahead.
Okay, sir, if the universal health coverage was
Spider-Man, actually.
why did you say Spider-Man?
Spider-Man has wings all over the place, and health, is wealth, and everybody health is an issue that is critical to every society. And without health, there will surely be challenges. You can't even go and look for what to eat and whatever to fit in. So health is actually a vital thing that needs to be catered for by all of us as citizens to be able to care for our families.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I appreciate
I'm Fatima Mohammed Mazu.
Okay, I have a question for you.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, if the universal health coverage was a superpower, was a superhero, what would be its superpower?
I think it should be a Spider-Man
Okay, so why?
because it's so supportive to the people of Kaduna State especially, and the amount is so minimal that it's affordable.
Okay, so how can it save the people for the day?
It saves the people because things are cost, and the contributory scheme is subsidized so that people will be able to have health coverage. That's to have quality health outcomes.
Thank you very much. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, sir. My name is Judith.
Good morning, I'm Pharmacist Saidu Bala.
Okay, if the universal health coverage was a superhero, what would be its superpower?
You can be a spider. Yes, because you know that it's spread everywhere and it is hard known by all. We have shaken the town to understand that yes, universal health coverage is taking place because there is a lot in it. People need to know that access to health care should be without financial constraint. That financial, everybody that is living in this globe should have the access to free and quality health care without paying much out from his pocket, so that people will not fall into poverty because of paying for health care services. Health care should be a fundamental human right that nobody should be deprived from it. So that is what we are trying, that is what we are selling, that is what we are advocating for the people to understand and engage into this one. We now get universal health coverage by the year 2030.
Okay, sir, how can it save the people for the day?
So honestly speaking, the people will just say that they are doing good and we need more understanding. We want to spread the message of the universal health coverage. And if you can see, the participation is very huge. People are so interested. They are now picking our flyers to now give them an avenue for them to go and read and understand the scheme so that they can come up and join us to achieve Universal Health Coverage Day.
Thank you, sir.
You are welcome.
I'm Boniface Elizabeth.
Okay. So, ma, if universal health coverage was a superhero, what would be his superpower?
Spider-Man.
Why? Why did you say Spider-Man?
Yeah, because Spider-Man can fly very well, and as superb as the program is, it can help both those without much income. So I believe it is superb.
Okay, so how can it save the people for the day?
For today, it will really go a long way because it doesn't count whether you have much income or not. So long as you are registered, you are covered.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Let me just a small background. You can achieve whatever you set for yourself when you have good health. Universal health coverage is to give access to health services. We have underlying sicknesses, all of us, but we don't have the resources sometimes to treat or to even get treatment. So with universal health coverage, it is designed to give everyone, irrespective of his level of income, his resources, and access to health care. So universal health coverage is a superhero because it is the only program that is designed to give the poor, the rich, the women, the children access to good health care and give an access to treatment.
Okay, sir. So how will it like save people for today? Like how?
You know, the drugs, especially going by the rise and inflation in the whole world, access to healthcare is very expensive. But with your little contribution, if general public put a pool together and contributed, then everyone in the society will be able to get access to healthcare and will get the required treatment needed for someone who needs it.
Thank you very much, sir.
I'm Sharon Sanjay.
Okay, I have a question for you. Okay, if the universal health coverage was a superhero, what would be its superpower?
I think Spider-Man
Why?
because its webs can be able to cover everywhere and be able to educate and create awareness for everybody around. That would be my own superpower.
Okay, so how can it save the people?
It can save it because when this awareness is created, they come and register together with KADCHMA and other organizations for their own health and for their families and people around them.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Judith and you are?
I'm Habiba Salu from Claims Department, KADCHMA.
Okay, I have a question for you. Okay, so if the universal health coverage was a superhero, what would its superpower be?
Superman.
Okay, why did you say Superman?
Because it saves lives by providing accessible and affordable healthcare for all, for everyone.
Okay, thank you very much.
I'm Suleiman Mustafa. I work with Kaduna State Contributory Health Management Authority, KADCHMA.
Okay, sir, I have a question for you.
All right.
Okay, sir, if the universal health coverage was a superpower, was a superhero, what would be its superpower?
I would say Spider-Man.
Okay, why did you say Spider-Man?
Because Spider-Man is so heroic in different sense. It goes about helping the less privileged in terms of need. As such, KADCHMA is here for us and for provision of access to affordable quality healthcare services to citizens of Kaduna State.
Okay, sir, how can it save the people for the day?
It's just a commemoration of the World Universal Health Coverage Day. That's set aside for the citizens of the world to ensure that there is access for healthcare services to all individuals around the world. Why we are having this work, a series of activities have been conducted, but this is the final stretch of the activities lined up. We are having a walk to talk to citizens on the street, tell them about the benefit of their health and the need for them to have access to healthcare services when the need arises.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Sir, my name is Judith and you are?
Oh, good morning. My name is Abdurrahman Mikhail, the Advocacy and Communication Coordinator on the Gates project for Save the Children International.
Okay, sir, I have a question for you.
Yes, go on.
Okay, if the universal health coverage was a superhero, what would be its superpower?
What again?
If the universal health coverage was a superhero, what would be its superpower?
Oh, for quite a lot of things, because it's a shining light to also let also government know its commitment towards health, which is actually one primary pillar. When you also look at human capital development for every citizen of Kaduna State and including Nigeria. So when you also look at this day, it actually helps us to also make everyone, including the government, also realize its primary commitment to the welfare of everyone. And that's why Kaduna State is also signatory to that global target to ensure that the universal health coverage covers everyone and leave no one out of healthcare service.
So, sir, how will it save the people for the day?
Yes, I think there is still a lot of work to do, because we also need to also continue and also increase the tempo for everyone to know that health is actually critical to everything we do. If you are healthy and you also know that, it also means now you also need to also seek service. Anytime you feel anything, you are uncomfortable, please try and reach out. And that's why government is also trying, with the support of partners like Save the Children, to ensure that the welfare of every child and every woman is important to government.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Nina from KADCHMA.
Okay, so I have a question for you.
Okay.
Okay, ma, so if the universal health coverage was a superhero, what would be its superpower?
Captain America.
Okay, why?
Because healthcare can indeed be seen as a captain of our overall well-being, steering towards recovery, maintaining our health, and ensuring we receive the best care possible. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
KADCHMA. We go to KADCHMA for Earth. International KADCHMA. #1 KADCHMA car. We don't know KADCHMA, no person. No agency. We don't know KADCHMA, no agency.